Hey everyone, Tanisha Coffee here, aka the Lofty Entrepreneur, and I just wanted to quickly show you what happens after you have purchased your domain and your hosting and you're ready to install your WordPress website. So right here, the page that you're looking at now is the page right when you are about to actually complete your purchasing process once you've selected your hosting. And this is if you are a new customer to Bluehost and you're purchasing your first hosting for the first time and getting your domain at the same time because you get a free domain when you purchase hosting through Bluehost. So in this scenario, I've chosen my WordPress hosting. I've selected the domain name flubbertoys.com, and what would happen is I'd go ahead and finish filling out all the account information that they're asking for. I'd select my package, and then at the very bottom I'd enter my credit card information and hit submit. Now, once I hit submit, I'm going to be taken to a page where it will ask for a password. I would just enter a password, and that will be, for your overall account. And then once you have done that, you hit next. It'll take you to a page, and Bluehost will say, we're setting up your WordPress website. It'll, take a few seconds, and then after that time, your next screen will show you your actual a link where you can actually go ahead and log into your WordPress website. So that's the way to do it if Bluehost is doing an auto install for you when you're um, when you're new to Bluehost and just starting to set up your accounts. Now, if you are already a Bluehost customer, then you would log into your Bluehost account, and this is the main dashboard. I'm already in ours. You would come to the My Sites section, click on My Sites, then you would go over to this button right here where it says Create Site. Click that, and it will take you to a screen that looks somewhat like this, which is where you would go ahead and fill in this information. It's super simple. We were using Flubber Toys, so I'm going to type in Flubber Toys, and Flubber Toys makes everyone happy. So I'm going to use that as my site tagline. It really does not matter what I use. And you can, change this later. This information actually will be auto imported to your WordPress website when you create it. So you can always change it later once you get into the WordPress dashboard if you really wanted to. Then you would hit next. And then here is the page where you would choose the domain that you wanted to add to your WordPress website. Now, I didn't actually buy the Flubber Toys. I'm just using it for an example. If I did, though, it would appear in this overall list of domains, where you could apply them where you could apply it to this particular WordPress website. So you would select the domain from there, and then you would scroll down. These are some plugins that you can have auto installed on your website. On your WordPress in the back end, and use them if you want. They have their perks. You just have to see if it's something that you need for your business. It doesn't hurt to leave them clicked. You can always either deactivate them or completely delete them from your WordPress website. And then you would hit the next button. I'm not going to do that because, again, I did not buy the Flubber Toys URL, and I don't actually want to install a new WordPress website this very moment. So I'm not going to click that. But again, once you hit the next button, you would see a screen that says, hey, we're installing your WordPress website. And it would just take a few seconds. And then once the WordPress website is installed, a box will pop up, and you'll have the option to click a link that says log into your WordPress, and it'll actually show you, your login URL if you wanted to go there directly, and some additional information. And so it's super simple. There you go. You would be logged in and ready to start building your WordPress website. So good luck to you, and hope that was helpful. Talk to you soon.